How to blur faces on photos on iPhone. First, open the App Store on your phone. At the bottom right corner of the screen, click on the search icon. In the search bar, search for the Blur Photo Effect background. Choose your preferred app. Click on the app. In this, click on the Get option. Now, enter your Apple ID password to install and tap on Sign In. In the pop-up page, click on Install. Once you've downloaded the app, click on Open. Now, at the bottom of the screen, click on Continue and then look at the Editing Tools section, and then select Blur. Now, select the photo you want to blur, and swipe and choose the aspect ratio. With the photo open, tap on Blur and start drawing over the area you want to blur. If you want to be more precise, tap on Brush at the bottom to adjust the size and distance of your brush for detailed blurring. You can adjust the blur intensity by tapping Effect at the bottom. Increase or decrease the strength to your liking. If you click on Invert, then the part that you have blurred will be only visible and all the remaining photos will be blurred. Again, click on Invert to blur the drawn area of the photo. Once you're happy with the blur effect, tap Next in the top right. Then tap the Share button to save the photo to your gallery. You can see a confirmation message that says Saved. Now go back to the home screen, open the Photos app, and scroll down there you can see your blurred photo. And that's it.